Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on switching from navigation buttons to swipe gestures on your Galaxy tablet. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your tablet. In Settings, tap on Display. Scroll down the display menu on the right and tap on Navigation Bar. Here you want to tap on Swipe Gestures to switch to Swipe Gestures. You will see that the navigation buttons have disappeared from the bottom of the screen. You can now use swipe gestures instead. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Galaxy Tab tips and tricks.